Welcome to Miss Lam's Math World. Today we are going to choose the right method in the textbook example. Let's take a look in example 5.7. Here is the question. So now you get an application of having the competition. The total score in the 6th game must reach 1,000 marks to enter the final round. So that means the keyword, the target number is 1,000. So this is our target number. If Janice score 200, 180, 250, 210, 270, and 190 marks in the 6 games, estimate whether she can enter the final round. So your workings. So what should we do? Number one, of course, we have to make a guess whether she can or not. So if yes, that means actual value is greater than 1,000. If it is a no, then the actual value is less than 1,000. So we don't know which case is correct, right? It doesn't matter. So let's us make a guess. That means we don't know which one is true, right? If it is yes, we use rounding down, as shown in the previous video clip. If it is no, we have to choose rounding up. Usually, we will actually take a look on the numbers, like 200, 400, 600, 800, 900. Well, it should be at least 1,000, right? It looks like it is greater than 1,000. So if it is in this case, because I just checked 200, 100, 200, 200, right? And then another 200 and 100. So all these are less than actual value, right? When we got the less than actual value, and then all these together is actually 1,000, right? So it should be a yes. So we make a guess. The answer should be a yes. So let's see if our guess is true. And now we can start to write down the heading, and then we will calculate. So basically, we only need to write down the steps as in the rough word. So total score of Janice is equals to 200 plus 180 plus 250 plus 210 plus 270 plus 190. And then we round down the values, and it becomes 200 plus 100 plus 200 plus 200 again plus 200 and plus 100. So calculate carefully, we get 1,000. What does it mean? Since the actual value is greater than 1,000, which is the estimated value. Therefore, Janice can enter the final round. So that's it. So before we end this video, remember when we want to round down, we should choose the same way to do the round down method. So this time all the numbers are actually round down to the nearest 100. And you may question, may I round down to other numbers? I don't like to round down to the nearest 100. No problem. So we can round down to other numbers like to be the nearest 50, which is also correct. And if it is 50, the word is also very simple. So you just need to change the numbers like this, what you see. His name is doing happily with it. So round down to the nearest 50. So we change the numbers in this way. So let's check carefully. 250, 150. And then for the addition, you need to be careful, right? 200, 400, 600, 1000, and then 1150. So this time, so you may write down even in a simpler way. So which is, since 1150 is greater than 1000, therefore Janice can enter the final round. So that means there are more than one way to round down the numbers. Remember, when it is estimate, you must use either rounding down or rounding up, depends on which of them is correct. That's the end of Miss Nam's Math World. See you next time.